Welcome to the Ludington State Park. My name is Patrick O'Hare. I'm president of the Friends of Ludington State Park. And on behalf of the Friends Group, we are pleased to have provided the Ludington State Park with this action track chair. Today, we'll be providing you an overview of the use of the track chair here at the Ludington State Park.
How to reserve the chair. All reservations must be scheduled. Contact the Ludington State Park at 231-843-2423, extension 0, to ensure the track chair is available and fully charged. Before reserving the track chair, please familiarize yourself with the track chair guidelines that can be found on the website. Reservations are limited to 3 hours. You may choose to request a volunteer, if available, to accompany you on your track chair journey. Chair pickup location. You will need a Michigan Park passport or day use permit to enter the Ludington State Park. When entering the park, inform the staff you are here to use the track chair. Turn right and then take your first left. You'll use the service road to reach the back entrance of the park office. Waiver form. All chair users must sign a DNR waiver. Transfer to the chair. Make sure the power is in the off position before sitting in or getting out of the track chair. The seat can be tilted down or back, and the arms raised or lowered to make it easier for you to transfer to the chair. You must be able to transfer to and from the chair without any assistance from the park staff or volunteers. The safety harness must be worn while operating the chair. The use of the leg harness is recommended. If you are unable to use the right-handed joystick control, the attendant control can be placed on the left side. If you are unable to use right or left-handed controls, a companion must walk alongside and control the movement of the track chair with the attendant controls. The right-handed control joystick has 5 speed options. The left-handed control, which is also the attendant control, has only 1 speed. Only one joystick can be powered on and used at a time. The track chair has a place for an umbrella and a platform to store a bag or cooler. Do not allow someone else or a pet to ride in or on the chair. Guidelines and overview of the chair. A Ludington State Park staff member or volunteer will review the use of the chair with you and go over the guidelines. Chair use. The track chair extends the locations individuals with mobility issues can visit in the park, but there are a few places that should be avoided, including the walkways and boardwalks placed on the sand at Lake Michigan, Hamlin Lake, and Big Sable Lighthouse. When climbing over small logs or curbs, approach at an angle, not directly straight on at 90 degrees. Avoid large obstacles such as logs and curbs. It is unsafe to use the track chair on inclines that exceed 20 degrees, like the hills on the logging trail. Use the tilt feature of the seat to maintain balance and control of the chair when traveling up or down inclines less than 20 degrees. When visiting the beach, the chair should not go in water deeper than 4 inches. Do not use the chair in ponds to avoid disturbing the habitat. On paved trails, including the Hamlin Dune Loop, stay to the right. The track chair should only be used on trails and areas approved by the Ludington State Park. The chair is heavy and cannot be carried. The staff needs to be able to access and load the track chair on a trailer if there is a malfunction. If the track chair becomes stuck, do not attempt to move it yourself. Moving or dragging the chair without disengaging the motors can cause severe damage to the chair. When in doubt, please contact the park staff for assistance. Track chair users must monitor the battery level. You need enough remaining power to return the chair to the entrance of the park. Make sure your battery level exceeds what you have used to go to your furthest point and/or the amount of time you have used the chair. When not actively using the chair, turn off the power to conserve the battery. Have a plan for how to contact help if you have an issue with the chair. The Ludington State Park has very limited cell phone coverage, with no cell phone coverage in some areas. Do not rely on your cell phone to seek help. You will not have time in your 3-hour reservation to visit all approved trails. For safety reasons, you will be required to provide your travel plans before setting out into the park. Should you not return with the track chair, this information will help staff know where to look. Failure to learn the limits of the track chair can cause personal injury or equipment damage. The Ludington State Park reserves the right to deny future use of the track chair to those individuals that have used the chair in an unsafe manner or do not act in accordance with these guidelines. In case of issues with the track chair, contact the Ludington State Park at 231-843-2423, extension 0.
On behalf of the Ludington State Park and the Friends of Ludington State Park, we hope that you enjoy using the track chair. Please do not hesitate to provide us your input and feedback on the track chair program and other ways that we could improve the Ludington State Park. Again, we hope that you enjoy your time at the Ludington State Park, the jewel of state park system. Have a great day.